Our group studied the topic of ethics of forensic DNA prototyping using artificial intelligence. So, this is a technique used to predict a person's physical characteristics such as eye color, skin tone, facial features, etc., from the DNA. So, we began by understanding how this differs from traditional DNA profiling. Instead of matching, Instead of simply matching identities, this approach uses AI and deep learning models to infer what a person might look like, even if we have no prior records. While this is powerful, it also introduces serious concerns, especially because these models operate as black boxes, making their decisions difficult to interpret. So we analyzed the case of the golden state killer case, so where advanced genetic analysis and genealogy databases were used to identify a suspect after decades. This demonstrates the real-world impact of such technologies, but also highlighted ethical issues like privacy violations and unintended surveillance of family networks and all. Then we did a literature review of four research papers, which showed that certain traits like eye and hair color can be predicted using high accuracy, more complex predictions with like full facial reconstruction, and all of these are still unreliable. We found strong evidence of algorithmic bias, especially due underrepresentation of non-European populations in training data. The core of our work was ethical analysis, where we evaluated this technology across principles like fairness, accountability, transparency, safety, etc. We found that these systems can reinforce bias, lack clear accountability, and potentially violate individual rights by revealing sensitive genetic information without consent. Then our main focus was explainable AI or XAI, which aims to make these black box models interpretable. We studied methods like SHAP or LIME and attention methods that can help explain how different DNA features influence predictions. However, current solutions are not still robust enough for legal standards. Finally, we proposed practical solutions, including stricter legal regulations, use of diverse data sets, mandatory algorithm audits, adoption of explainable AI techniques. We also suggested privacy preserving methods like federated learning and encryption, along with independent oversight. And in conclusion, while AI driven DNA prototyping, phenotyping has significant potential in forensic science, it must carefully be regulated to prevent misuse, ensure fairness, and protect fundamental human rights.